Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Pagepilot to your Shopify store. I'll walk you through the setup step by step. First, make sure you have accounts created for both Pagepilot and Shopify. Once that's done, log into your Pagepilot dashboard. On the dashboard, click Connect, and next to Connect Shopify Store, you'll see fields for your Shopify URL and Shopify key. To get your Shopify URL, go to your Shopify admin panel and click Online Store. Copy your store URL and paste it into the website URL field in Pagepilot. Next, to get your Shopify key, go to Settings and next to Apps and Sales Channels in Shopify. Scroll down and click Develop Apps, then click Allow Custom App Development. Next, click Create an App, give it a name like Pagepilot App, and confirm your email address. Click Create Application. Now, configure the API access. In the app settings, go to Configuration and next to Admin API Integration. Set read and write permissions for products by checking both read products and write products. Do the same for themes, checking read themes and write themes. Then click Install Application and confirm by clicking Install again. Once installed, Shopify will generate your API key. Copy this key and paste it into the Shopify key field in Pagepilot. Finally, click Connect Store, and there you have it. Your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Pagepilot, allowing you to manage products and themes efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.